In order to assign someone as a manager for your Google Business profile, you need to follow the simple step. You need to go to your Google Business profile and sign into your account. After that, select your business you want to manage. Now, click on the three dots over here and then tap on Business Profile Settings. Now you will get 4 different options in this page, that is People and Access, Advanced Settings, Remove Business Profile, and Linked Accounts. Tap on People and Access. Here you can add, edit, or remove people's access to your business profile. And then tap on Add in the top. Now enter the correct email address of the person you are trying to add to your business, and then select either manager or owner, and then click on Invite. That is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and you'll be done. The invited person needs to accept the invitation sent to their email, and after that they will be the owner or manager of your business profile. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.